In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to crochet simple, unusual scroll motif. Let's begin the work. For work you need 2 balls of yarn and a crochet hook. To begin the work by making a round element. You can find it in tutorial 7 of crochet projects and elements playlist. Last round of this bottom consists of 14 single crochet stitches. Let's begin the scroll motif. Chain of 9, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We stop here and look at work. Now I show you the variation of scroll motif. We can crochet in this way. If you would like to make scroll motif in other way, you should crochet in backwards direction, like this. We can continue the work. We have done 9 chains. Make a chain more. Make single crochet into the next chain stitch and single crochet into the next chain stitch. Then 2 single crochet into the next chain stitch, 1 and 2. And single crochet through the next chain stitch. 2 single crochet through the next stitch, 1, 2. Then just single crochet. 2 single crochet through the next stitch. Then single crochet, then 2 single crochet, well done. Then I will crochet on this side. We continue. Single crochet, then 2 single crochet, 1, then single crochet through the next stitch and 2 single crochet through the next stitch, then single crochet into the next stitch and 2 single crochet through the next stitch, single crochet and 2 single crochet through the next stitch, single crochet and single crochet through the next stitch, single crochet, we have 3 last stitches. Work a slip stitch through the next stitch. Let's stop and look at the work. we continue the work. Let's begin the second row. Make single crochet into the next stitch. Continue single crochet through the next stitch. Half double crochet into the next stitch. Make double crochet twice into the next stitch. 1, 2. Then just double crochet into the next stitch. Then 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Then double crochet. Then double crochet twice into the next stitch, 1 and 2. Then just double crochet into the next stitch. Then double crochet twice, 1 and 2. Continue double crochet and double crochet twice. Let's stop and look at work. Here what we have. This is front side and it is back. We continue. Make just double crochet into the next stitch. Double crochet twice into the next stitch. 1 and 2. Double crochet. Double crochet twice. And double crochet. Then half double crochet into the next stitch. And 5 single crochet in row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And slip stitch into the next stitch. Here what we have, the scroll element is almost ready. We can crochet the trim of this color of yarn or other one. I will make a trim of other color of yarn. Let's begin the trim. It is going to be reverse single crochet. Insert the hook into the stitch of the round element, take the working yarn, pull it through, and make reverse single crochet into each stitch of the previous row. I will make some stitches and you should continue by yourself. So continue working in this way till this point. I'm about to complete the row of reverse single crochet. make the last reverse single crochet. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, insert it into the first reverse single crochet. Take the working loop, pull it through. Now I cut off the yarn. The scroll element is ready. This is back side and this is front. Today we have learned how to crochet beautiful element that you can use in Irish lace technique. Also you can change amount of chains. In the foundation chain. For example, you can crochet 11 chains and change the trim around the element. For more video tutorials, please visit our website CheryLearning.com. We are pleased to inform you that we have opened membership service on our website. Membership includes an access to the video tutorials which are published every week, only at CheryLearning.com and only for members. For more detailed information, please visit the membership page at CheryLearning.com. Thanks for watching.